So today we are here at Kyangwali Refugee Settlement. The washing machine project is here to distribute over 71 manual washing machines, which are going to go into schools, hospitals, as well as reception centers across Kyangwali Refugee Settlement. We are hoping to impact around 40,000 people with this washing machine.
I was one of the people who received the machine. It is time saving.
This machine, it's a washing machine. It has been provided recently and it is helping us. It washes very well. Once you put in your clothes to cover it very well, then you start scrolling like this as you are washing. The clothes go up and down as they are getting clean.
So I found the boys who dodge washing, whom I have been pushing here and there to go and wash their uniforms. But I found when they are the ones who are there playing with it.
When the young ones were going home, they used to say, "This blanket, I'm going to take it home." But I found them washing the blankets, then that hey, it is easier to wash our blankets. Even they are telling me that they have small bags were washed using the machine. I was like, wow, that means if they are going to wash their blanket, they are going to go home and things are clean. And parents will say, the school is taking care of you.
When students and staff were doing their laundry by hand, this took a lot of time, and there was also a physical burden associated with doing laundry by hand. In addition, many of the schools, such as these ones, face challenges associated with water. So in Kyangwali Refugee Settlement, water is a scarce resource, which is also something the students and staff face while doing their laundry.
If you want to support our work in more places like Kyangwali, please consider donating to the TWB Foundation now. But if you can't, don't worry, just share this with your friends and family. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to us.